We know that you are here to watch how we made this cute DIY shrug from our old dupattas.
But first, let us welcome you all to our channel
Supervising Shell Reloaded.
So now, without much ado, let's quickly jump into the video.
Okay, so for this DIY shrug, we need to fold our dupatta into two halves, as shown. And now we will work on the closed side of the dupatta. Okay, so now bring your inchi tape and measure 6 inches and mark a point from the closed side on the edge as shown. Now mark 7 inches on the closed side. Now join the 2 points as shown, forming a square. Now measure 7 inches and mark the point adjacent to the 6 inches line. Make a clean line of 7 inches as shown. And now we need to make a cut on this 7 inches line. Try to be as clean as you can. And as my dupatta was a wrinkled one, so I didn't need to hem it, and if you feel like the need, you could hem the cut. And your DIY shrug is ready, and this is how it will look.
तो क्या लगता है?
Easy था ना?
So what are you waiting for? Just turn that grey thumbs up blue,
And share this video with all your BFFs.
and you can also drop your comments below
And yeah, subscribe भी करना है.
because it's free.
Okay.